What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a new wider lens for my camera. I got like this nice little frame. I don't know how to show it to you guys, but my blonde is almost gone. Back to like normal hair, you know. It feels kind of weird having this short hair. So today we're gonna be working on the FD. Yes, I can't wait. It's been just too long, dude. I have Andrew. He just got off work. My man's been so busy with like work, you know. He's doing his motor swap, so he hasn't been able to help me, which I understand. But so I have put this, didn't really put it on all the way, but I got this hatch bolted right up, pretty nice. I showed it to you guys last time. The fender fitment was a lot better. This piece right here is gonna go on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach this piece to this so it just becomes one piece. That way it's like so much better. The front we'll tackle it later. 240 is all done. Everything's almost done. I just have to install the front grille. My roof spoiler came out again. I put it on again for the third time. I heated it up. I guess maybe I didn't heat it up all the way, but I heated it up all the way, made sure double-sided tape, did all that, but it just came off again. So I'm gonna try buying some other tape online, look for it. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'll watch some YouTube videos on it. But yeah, there's a little surprise for the 240. I'm not gonna reveal it yet. I'm gonna reveal it down the road. Since that car is finished for what like I aimed for, this car is next. I want to get this finished as soon as possible. So this whole month I'm gonna be attacking this, because my goal by summer, like realistic goal, by summer to have this car ready. I already told them what were you going through. Your car's, you know, down right now. Job's kicking your ass.
Yup.
Working like 13 hours a day.
The back bumper, make sure everything is centered, drill some holes to mount everything up, and then hopefully the rest of the rear end kind of falls in place after that.
Exactly.
Yeah, hopefully is the key word.
I think we got it. Whoa! Look at that. M5. Those could work.
I mean, just for now to hold it in place.
We got a lot of bolts here. I'm just trying to find the right ones. Right here. Andrew's a man for this. We are 444, baby. 444.
Incredible. It'll never happen again for the rest of my life.
That was insane. I don't know if you guys know, we have to put 2 holes right there, so I'm gonna need you to be like 848, because there's 2 over here as well.
Dead on.
No, we are getting really close. I am so excited. You guys have no idea. So me and Andrew, well, Andrew left, he had to get going, so big shout out to him for helping me with the kit. You know, he tries his best every day he can. He'll be here tomorrow. I'm still gonna work on it by myself because he had to get going. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys. See right here, previous Rocket Bunny job that was done by my buddy. I'm gonna fucking clean all this up, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side, so the fender sits just a little more flush. It's already really good on there. This lines up really good. We just drilled 3 holes. There were about like 6 or 7 holes in like just the middle piece, and then 3 right here, and then 3 of them right here. Home Depot real quick, and I'm gonna go grab that stuff, and I'll be back so I can, you know, get started tomorrow first thing, ready to bang this out. That way it's like nicer. So I'm gonna go grab that stuff. Don't think it's close right now, but see you guys in a bit. This is being continued from that one day we were vlogging. It's been like 4 or 5 days, dude. I've been like sick. All right, it's been like a week. So I got the stuff I need from Home Depot. This one, the great stuff. I'm gonna clean this up today and I'm gonna cut it open. And before I get to that, I wanted to show you guys a surprise I picked up. Well, there's two things I picked up. Let me show you the first one. Myself up a Toyota Tacoma. This will be my new daily. Okay, they lifted it 3-inch for me previously. It was like that in the showroom, and it has a Toyotech suspension on there, Nitto tires with fuel wheels. Came with a lot of upgraded stuff. Baja fog lights. It's an off-road package. You know, got the footsteps as well as the Tacoma decals here. It came with TRD front grille. It's, you know, it's pretty nice. And I got a really good deal on it. I just could not pass it up, so got my hands on that. Pretty much, if you go to a Toyota dealership and you want them to, you know, let's say put a 3-inch lift or a 6-inch lift, they give you like a 1-year parts warranty. If the truck is there already, that's pre-lifted. I'm not sure how it is with other dealerships, but I'm pretty sure it's very same. If they already put the stuff on there, it's a 3-year warranty for everything they have done to the truck additionally. Obviously, they also offer me lifetime motor and transmission warranty. I could not pass this deal, and I went with the Nardo Gray. It just happened to work out pretty well, and you know, got my hands on it. I'm excited. The second thing I want to show you guys, I am so excited. You probably was wondering, like, why is there like an engine stand right here? I picked up a motor. I'm not going to tell you just yet where it's gonna go in. Let me show you what it is, and I'll let you be the judge. Leave in the comments below, what do you guys think of this? I got a steal on this. I could not pass this up. So, whew, trust. Wha-bam! I picked myself up a 2JZ. I'm so excited. I got a really good deal on it. It has like most of the components on there. I want to take it apart, see how everything is. Obviously, this is the GE motor, not the GTE. I'm not that rich yet. Pretty much, I'll explain the difference. There's already so much information on YouTube and forums about how you can convert, you know, pretty much a GE to a GTE. These are called the NAT builds. That's what I will be doing. I'm gonna pretty much take it all apart, inspect everything, drop it off the machine shop, order some parts, put it all together. Then I'll probably tell you guys what car it will go in. So I just got the engine hoist set up, as well as I put the mounts on the motor that needs to be hooked up. Well, I can't find the best spot, so I just made 2 extra straps just to be on the safe side. Let me show you what I've done, and that way you guys can see it. Okay, so I've got this leveler, engine leveler, 2 bolts right here, and then I got the strap. I'm supposed to use this hook, but it's like bent in half. Putting it on that thing. Probably should use a hand, but I'm going to do it myself. You guys, I got everything hooked up as I want it to be. Pray for my engine does not fall over. I got 1 mission accomplished. There's 1 more left. So I'm gonna show you what the motor looks like now while it's on the engine stand. It was a bit of a struggle. I ended up taking the whole thing apart. Let me show you. So I'll pretty much pull this out, put this on the engine, then, you know, take this pin out. You know the drill pretty much. It was a Harbor Freight stand, works pretty good, but I think I'm just gonna start where we left off. So last time Andrew was here, we were doing this. I had to put the good stuff underneath, and we got it all done. Worked on the hatch a little bit. I'm just gonna go over it real quick what we have done. There is some bad news, but at the same time there is some good news. So let me go over it, what we have done, and I'll tell you guys the news, what's going on, and go on from there. You can see that the hatch fitment is pretty good. Just have to work some on the latch. figure that out. This fits pretty flush, as well as, I'm not sure you guys can see all the great stuff. You have to sand it down. I did it on the both sides. I cut the other side. This fender fits a lot better, flush more. You can see the fitment right here. Door opens nice and easy. Had to do some grinding and sanding, as well as same with the other side. So pretty much that's what it is, but I have had change of plans. So I have not seen a Veilside that's like molded. So I already spoke with the body guy. I'm dropping the car off in a month, and what I'm gonna do is have him mold the whole kit. That way it'll be like the first Veilside that's like molded, completely flush here, so it'll look just like one body piece. Same as with the door piece right here. And he said he can get the car done in a month, so I'm pretty much gonna be prepping the car to drop it off to him. I'm gonna clean up the interior and then unfortunately the landlord increased the price, so I will be moving out of here in about 4 days. Moving with Kevin and all my other buddies. That's it pretty much. It's a lot of crunch time. I got a lot of packing to do, you know, take all my stuff, take the car out, take the 240 out, since I have 2 non-running cars. Oh, you're not supposed to know that. 240 technically still runs. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below if you have any questions. And I'm just so excited to see this, you know, first Veilside that's molded on. I can't wait. But yeah, peace out. Shoo!